What is up to another video, software engineering concepts in Python. This video we are going to look at aiohttp in Python. Aiohttp is an asynchronous HTTP framework for Python built on async IO and providing both client and server implementations for non-blocking HTTP requests. Using Python's async or await syntax, aiohttp handles multiple connections currently without blocking execution, making it ideal for applications requiring simultaneous connections and efficient I/O operations. So key features of this is client-side features, which includes async HTTP client with connection pooling, cookies, and SSL support. This is actually perfect for concurrent API calls and web scraping. We also have server-side features with robust server with routing, middleware, and also templating. There is also native WebSocket integration for real-time bidirectional communication in interactive apps. So on my right-hand side, we have this example here that you can try in your VS Code. Let us know how it went. You import aiohttp and async IO, and then okay, so run this and let's know how it went for you. Okay, thank you for watching once again.